Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's haul would not be a very regular haul because this time I have not bought even a single makeup product. I usually buy only makeup products from Nykaa. So I decided that I won't be buying any makeup products this month. I would just be focusing on my hair care and my skincare. So today's haul would include only hair care and skincare products. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I would start with the hair products and then I would go into the skin products. So the first product that I would like to share is this huge box from L'Oreal. So now this is basically a value pack from L'Oreal. This is a 3 product pack which contains their shampoo, conditioner and serum. The L'Oreal shampoo that I'm currently using is the Total Repair 5 and this is the pack where you get the conditioner and the serum at the cost of just the shampoo. Because I'm already buying the shampoo, so why not buy the conditioner and the serum in the same price? So that's why I prefer buying this value pack over just buying the shampoo. So now the next 2 products that I would be sharing are by the brand Mamaearth. Now this is not a sponsored video and I actually haven't tried any product from the brand before. This is my first time ordering something from the brand. I ordered 2 hair oil from the brand. The first one that I have with me right now is the Bring Amla hair oil with Bhringraj and Amla. So I am not actually a very herbal sort of a person, but I have heard my mother saying that Bhringraj and Amla are actually really good for your hair, and I have tried using them, applying them the way she used to do years back, but it didn't actually work for me. So I preferred ordering the pre-made version of it, and that's the reason I ordered this oil. Let me open the packaging. Okay, so this is how the actual bottle of the product looks like. It comes with a little head which is actually supposed to replace the cap of the bottle so that you can directly apply the oil on your scalp. So let's see how does this work for me, as this is the first time ordering from Mamaearth. The other hair oil that I ordered from Mamaearth is their onion hair oil. Again, onions are really good for your hair and really good for your scalp, but I cannot apply raw onions onto my scalp. So, and I thought that applying a onion hair oil is like a better option than applying raw onions onto my head. So I ordered this onion hair oil from Mamaearth. I forgot to tell you the retail prices. The retail price of the Bring Amla hair oil is rupees 499 and the retail price of the onion hair oil is rupees 399. I will mention every detail about the product in the description box down below. With my Mamaearth order, I also received this oil-free face moisturizer from the brand as a free gift. Again, because I haven't tried anything from the brand earlier, this is obviously an additional perk for me. So this is how the product looks like, and let's see how does these products perform for me. Okay, now so these are all the hair care products that I ordered. It's basically not exactly hair care, it's just hair oil. So now getting into the skincare stuff that I have. The first product I have is from Colorbar and it is the Perfect Match Primer Water in Quench Me. So they have, I guess, 3 types of primer waters, and I wasn't actually sure about which one to order. But by the description, this one seemed to be the most appealing to me. So I ordered this. This is how the bottle looks like. It is a plastic bottle. It is transparent liquid. And yeah, it seems pretty appealing. I like the way this pump is designed. Let me just... Oh, it's a very fine mist. It does not actually smell like anything, but it makes me feel very fresh right now. It's a little bottle. It seems like very travel friendly also. The MRP of the product is rupees 850, which is sort of a lot. Hopefully this is worth the price range of 850 bucks. The next product I have is from M Caffeine, and this is their Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub, and it is for normal to oily skin. I have tried M Caffeine's face mask, like both of the variants, the oily skin one as well as the dry skin one, and I have been loving them. I have written about both of them in detail in a blog post which I would be mentioning down in the description box below. If you would like to know more about the brand and their face mask, then you can go to the blog post and read my experience with the same. So let me open this box for you. So this is how the product looks like. This is not an everyday kind of a scrub. I ordered another scrub from Neutrogena, which was like a daily everyday use scrub, but I haven't received it in my order. I have contacted Nykaa for the same, but I again haven't received any answers from them. So I hope that I would be getting my product and would not be cheated by the brand. Next skin product I have is again from Colorbar, and it is their everyday cleanser makeup remover. This is how the outer box looks like, and this is the actual product. I love the way it is packed. It looks really beautiful like this. I was actually gravitating towards the Clinique makeup remover, but that was like very pricey. I won't say that this is cheap though, but as compared to the price point of the Clinique one, this was a little cheaper. So I thought of trying the Colorbar one before directly jumping into and investing my money in the Clinique one. If any of you have tried this Colorbar makeup remover or even the Clinique one, then do let me know about your experience in the comment section down below. This would really help me to save my money or maybe invest in a better product. So the next product I have are these makeup removing wipes from the brand Guinea, and it is in the variant aloe vera. There are a lot of makeup removing wipes that are available in the market, which are the pricier versions, and they work really well. But these ones are like for 30 bucks each. Like this single packet is for 30 bucks and it contains 10 wipes. I prefer getting a 10 wipe packet over 25 or 30 wipe packet because it somehow tends to get dry for me. Last few wipes are usually dry whenever I reach them. I have tried this before and they do work decently fine for me. They are not very good with removing the waterproof mascaras, but for everyday makeup these are good, and these are pretty affordable too. The final product I have is from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is their Arch Brow Pencil. Now you might consider this as a makeup product, but for me, doing your brow is not doing any sort of makeup. For me, it is like an essential thing, so I am not including this in the makeup product part, and I would just consider it like a non-makeup item. So like this is how the product looks like. Let me open it up. I am not sure how does this work, but this looks really good. This is how the wand of the product looks like, and is the shade 04 Felix Onyx. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I would just insert the name of the product here. So yeah, this is the last item of my haul. There would have been another item if that Neutrogena scrub would have been the part of my package. But yeah, that's it for now. That's all I have to show you today. If you like today's video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.